Hi, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can share Steam games to different PC using Ethernet cable. First, we need to know the files we have to share to make it work. Go to Steam, open game in the library, right click and browse local files. Now here in common we have the game files. Also we need one extra file which is in Steam apps. It is one of these files. To find which one, go back to Steam and go to the game store page and right click and copy page URL and paste it in notes. We need this number. Now in Steam apps we know which file we have to share. Now to share the files we have to set up the connection on both PCs by going to view network connection, right click properties, select IPv4 and then properties. Write this as shown on both PCs. Now go to advanced sharing setting and select these options as shown on both PCs. Now go to file location, right click, show more option, give access to specific people, select everyone, add and share. Now remember this file location as shown and write that in file manager in PC2. Copy the files and paste. As you can see, in such a small time, such a large file was transferred. Now I have lost some footage, but I have transferred the small file in Steam apps and the game files in common folder. If you don't have the common folder, just create it and paste it there. Now restart Steam on the second PC and it will work.